Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's AJ. So today I'll be filming a vlog and right now I've taken a shower and I'm getting ready to go to the office. अब मुझे स्किन केयर करना है. So basically I also wanted to show you my skin care routine in the morning. So first of all, obviously I've washed my face with a face wash or you can use cleanser also. Then it's the serum time. I use this Dalba first spray serum. I really like this serum and it hydrates your skin really nicely. Hydrate तो करती ही है, साथ में it has a really glowy texture afterwards. या बहुत अच्छा ग्लो देता है and it's long lasting. मैं आपको शाम को दिखाऊंगी amazing glow. Now after that I've gotten this moisturizer from Foxtail. अभी recently I've not used it. I really wanted to use this. मेरा moisturizer दूसरा होता है जो मैं use करती हूँ, which is from a Korean brand. मुझे अभी तक उसका नाम याद नहीं हुआ है. But yeah, today I'll be using this. And ये मुझे इसका texture बहुत बढ़िया लगता है. That's why I really wanted to use this. Pink इतना नहीं आया. But आपको पता नहीं कैमरे में दिख रहा होगा. इसके जो बीट्स हैं आया नहीं है. I don't know. बहुत अच्छा है यार. I really like doing skincare. And again क्योंकि ये नया है तो इसकी मैं कैप वापस कर दूँगी इसके साथ आई है. इसकी ये कैप टाइप है. मैंने वापस लगा दी है. Now after my moisturizer, what I do is I don't apply this sunscreen. पता नहीं क्यों, but yeah, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि वैसे भी बाहर जाके ऑफिस से जाना सीधा पूरे दिन उधर रहना है and then शाम को वापस आना, तो I don't like it. मैं जनरली जब बाहर जाती हूँ for travel and all, then only I carry that. मैं पहले वो भी नहीं करती थी. मैंने अभी लास्ट ट्रिप से करना शुरू किया है इन सिंगापुर. मैं एक बार गोवा गई थी. I was tanned like hell. Okay, so I will be using this Dalba. This is basically double serum all in one multi balm. Okay, ये serum है. This is a solid kind of serum and आप कहीं पे भी लगा सकते हो, under your eyes and on the face and all. I use it as a lip balm, to be honest. It's really hydrating. So I just use it as a lip balm before applying lipstick. And for my blush, okay, so basically after my skincare what I do is I just use blush and lipstick. Okay, so what I do is I just use this Mamaearth Glow Serum Blush. Again मैंने इसका भी shorts बनाया है तो आप देख सकते हो on my YouTube channel. This is again a natural looking blush जो स्किन पे बिल्कुल नेचुरल लुक देता है. एंड हाउ आई ब्लेंड इट विद दिस डालबा. मैं इसको ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर पे लगाती हूँ एंड आई जस्ट डैब इट. बहुत नेचुरल लुक देता है यार. आई रियली लाइक दिस थिंग. सो या दिस इज. इसका कैप कहाँ गया? ये मैं अभी सारा सामान यहाँ पे लेकर आई हुई हूँ बिकॉज मैं अभी यहाँ पे कैमरा लगा के फिल्म कर रही हूँ, वरना मेरा उधर रहता है. वो जो ये दिख रहे हैं ना डब्बे ऐसे खुले हुए, बेसिकली दिस इज माई अलमारी जहाँ पे मैंने इतना सारा स्किन केयर का रखा हुआ है. किसी दिन दिखाऊंगी मैं आपको वीडियो. आई हैव दिस स्विस ब्यूटी सैटिन कम्फर्ट लिपस्टिक. ये मुझे PR में मिली थी बाय द वे. आई रियली लाइक दिस शेड. सो दिस इज काइंड ऑफ ब्राउनिश पिंकिश काइंड ऑफ. So yeah, this is very subtle kind of. मुझे ये शेड पसंद है बट इसके साथ क्या दिक्कत है कि ये 2-3 घंटे में it will wipe it off. तो ये लॉन्ग लास्टिंग नहीं है स्विस ब्यूटी का. आई पर्सनली थिंक कि ये जो बुलेट लिपस्टिक्स होती हैं इससे बेटर होते हैं दैट क्रेयॉन वंस. दिस इज इट फॉर माई क्या कहते हैं उसको, स्किन केयर एंड ब्लश एंड लिपस्टिक होल फेस डन. नाउ आई विल डू माई हेयर, जो कि अभी भी गीले हैं, मैं कैसे ही करूँ अभी तो। ठीक है, सूखने देते हैं इसको, बिकॉज आई डोंट यूज़ ड्रायर मच। मुझे कहीं जाना होता है मैं तभी ड्रायर यूज़ करती हूँ, और एल्स आई डोंट यूज़ इट। सो या स्टे ट्यून्ड in this vlog, and this will be a very casual or day in my life vlog, जो कि you'll see. Okay, so यार क्या मस्त लाइटिंग पड़ रही है ना, because I have this lamp. Wait, I'll just show you. See guys, I have this lamp. इधर कैंडल, बेसिकली ये कैंडल वार्मर है, ठीक है। इट इज़ अ सेंटेड कैंडल विच आई गॉट इट फ्रॉम गोवा, एंड ये जो लैम्प है दिस इज़ अ कैंडल वार्मर। तो उसकी रोशनी आ रही थी, जो कि मैंने बहुत कम कर दी थी, वरना तो मेरे पे बहुत ज़्यादा आ रही थी। ऑल राइट गाइज, सो अब मैं ऑफिस जा रही हूँ एंड इट्स रेनिंग आउटसाइड। तो या अभी हम बेसमेंट में हैं अभी हम बेसमेंट में हैं एंड वी आर गोइंग टू द ऑफिस, एंड वहाँ पे पहुँच के आई व्लॉग। So guys, I'm at home now and I had to go to the dance class, but as it's raining outside so I couldn't go. And couldn't go क्या, अभी टाइम है, जा सकती हूँ, 6:30 क्लास होती है, 6:04 right now, but obviously it's raining तो मैं नहीं जा पाऊँगी. So let's see what happens, and I just really want to have dinner right now. I'm so hungry. Let's see what's in the dinner. So guys, day before yesterday I went to 2 seminars and I vlogged that. I really wanted to show you guys, so I will be inserting those videos right now after this. Do watch and stay tuned for my night routine 2 of this video and the outro. So I hope you like these seminars videos also, so stay tuned.
We know that most business activities release carbon dioxide, also called CO2. Too much CO2 in the atmosphere causes climate change.
Money in cash as well as by check. And you have to explain what is this happening. And this information came through Financial Intelligence Unit. Dealing with share of information. You are getting exchange of information from 126 countries. they are exchanging the information with FIU India, and they are also exchanging the information FIU of foreign companies. Very
environmental issue. They are a financial and strategic business issue.
The future requirement in terms of technology, the skill set, and financial people.
Hi guys, welcome back. It's AJ. So finally I got the chance to speak, but I can't much. I have been to 2 conferences or seminars today, and yeah, I'll tell you everything when I'll get back home. This is my fit today, guys. Hi guys, so this is few days later. I did not get around to share some thoughts on this seminar, so here I am. So first seminar was on the topic search and seizure, succession planning and sustainability in ESG sector and all, right? So first speaker was Shalini Singhi, and she basically told about sustainability, carbon credits, trading in carbon credits. The second one was Mr. Girish Ahuja. I am certain that you must have heard about him. His topic was on search and seizure and succession planning. Succession planning, you must have heard that succession planning can be in both ways, personal life and the company also. Personal life जैसे will में आगे succession planning करते हैं हम कि will में किसका नाम डालना है, किसको कितना देना है. And अगर हम company की बात करें तो succession planning, you know, if there's a senior person who wants to leave the company तो हम succession planning करते हैं उसकी, जो कि talent management में आता है. तो उसमें क्या होता है कि अगर पर्सन इज लिविंग द कंपनी एट अ सीनियर डेजिग्नेशन पर्सन, सो वी डू द सक्सेशन प्लानिंग कि उसमें इंटरनल हायरिंग कैसे करनी है, एक्सटर्नल हायरिंग कैसे करनी है, उस पोजीशन पे हम कैसे रिक्रूट करेंगे फॉर द डेजिग्नेशन. ऑलराइट, सो दिस वाज द टॉपिक ऑफ दैट. Now, the second seminar was basically in the NHRD Association, if you've heard about it, National HR Department Networking. So this NHRDN, उसमें मैं member हूँ, and I had been to that seminar also. After the seminar, so what happened was the topic is basically related to HR, that is HR leaders huddle. Okay, so that was the topic of the seminar. Now what happened was there were 2 speakers. First one was Mr. Atul Kumar Tiwari. He's an IAS. He's a former Secretary General of Government of India. And he spoke about upskilling and reskilling. He jotted down 4 points, right? Yeah, 4 points. So first was make skilling a strategic priority, right? So skilling should be a strategic priority. The second was build a culture of continuous learning. So next, third point was companies corporation be incentivized in upskill and reskill. अगर कंपनी में एम्प्लॉयज़ हैं, टीम है, अगर उनका अपस्किलिंग एंड रीस्किलिंग हो रहा है, that should be incentivized also by rewards and recognition, promotions. Fourth point was partner with skilling ecosystem. Now companies can provide apprenticeship, internships, okay, use of public platforms should be there, work with government organizations or associations. And he also told about Viksit Bharat. Basically he aligned this thing with Viksit Bharat. The second speaker was Lieutenant General JP Nehra. He told us all about his journey, his army journey, and that was so mesmerizing. I mean, the person who has been in the wars, right, on the borders. So he told us about the journey, and he related us HRs with the discipline in the organization. So that was the thing. So he told us that HR should welcome challenges. Second point was training and decisive. Adaptability also he said. So all these things he told us. He also told us an abbreviation which is VUCA, VUCA. So VUCA's full form is V for volatility, U for uncertainty, C for complexity, and A for ambiguity. So all of these things should be there. Agar situation is volatile, how you have to handle it. Then uncertainty, anything can happen in a second. Alright, complexity. A situation can be as complex as it is seen, and you have to deal with it. And ambiguity, जो भी confusion है, how you will cope up with that. So all these things he told us about. So these were the things which were told in seminars, and I thought that this is a very nice experience, because learning from these great dignitaries around you, it is really nice, because वो अपने experiences से बताते हैं चीज़ें, and I really like that. I really like to meet them, I really like to listen to them. So yes, they were the guest of the honor, and this happened in the seminars. Also guys, I'll leave this vlog here only. I'll end this vlog here, and I'll see you in the next one. Do like, comment and subscribe the channel if you haven't. You can share the vlog too. Alright guys,